The course was amazing. I've been working in social services with our taiwhenua o Tamatea. So what it actually did was it enhanced my mahi, and it looked at whanaungatanga as one of the main purposes within the Kōnai Ako. So from there, that's how I've utilised my experiences building whanaungatanga within my rohe to help them and guide them through whatever they needed to do and where they needed to be. Come to Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, because your kaiako, the staff that surround you, they support you in whatever you need. We have the services there to help us through counselling. It's all at our fingertips with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. That's the difference. They're not only about the tauira, but they're about the whānau as well.